Is your ASUS monitor stuck at a low 640 by 480 resolution? This often happens due to EDID corruption, driver problems, or compatibility issues. Essentially, your monitor and computer aren't communicating properly about supported resolutions. ED, or Extended Display Identification Data, is information stored in your monitor that tells your computer what resolutions and refresh rates the display supports. EDID stands for Extended Display Identification Data. This is a data structure embedded in your monitor's firmware that tells your graphics card what resolutions, refresh rates, and other display capabilities the monitor supports. The EDID contains detailed information organized into blocks, including supported resolutions and timing information. EDID corruption can occur from several sources, disrupting the data communication between your monitor and computer. One common cause is faulty HDMI cables. Damaged connectors or poor quality cables can corrupt the EDID data during transmission from the monitor to your computer. Power surges or electrical disturbances can corrupt the EDID data stored in the monitor's memory chips. Software glitches, such as conflicts between graphics drivers or firmware bugs, can also corrupt EDID information. When EDID becomes corrupted, your computer cannot properly communicate with the monitor about supported display modes. The result is that your system falls back to a basic VGA mode, displaying at the lowest common resolution of 640 by 480 pixels. This is the default safe mode that all displays can handle. To prevent EDID corruption, use certified HDMI cables that meet industry standards for reliable data transmission. These cables are tested to ensure proper signal integrity. Outdated or conflicting graphics drivers are a primary cause of ASUS monitors getting stuck at 640 by 480 resolution. Resetting your drivers is your first line of defense. Start by using Device Manager to uninstall your current graphics drivers. Open Device Manager, find your graphics card under Display Adapters, right-click and select Uninstall Device. Then, download the latest drivers from NVIDIA or AMD, depending on your graphics card. Visit their official websites to ensure you get the correct, up-to-date drivers. For a completely clean install, consider using Display Driver Uninstaller, or DDU, in safe mode. This tool thoroughly removes all traces of old drivers before you install new ones. Safe mode allows you to boot Windows with minimal drivers, letting you troubleshoot graphics issues without interference from problematic software. First, click the Windows Start menu and hold Shift while clicking Restart. This accesses advanced boot options. After restarting, select Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options. This brings you to the Recovery menu. In Advanced Options, choose Startup Settings, then click Restart. This will show the Boot Options menu. When the startup settings appear, press 4 or F4 to enable safe mode. Your computer will boot with minimal drivers. Once in safe mode, open Device Manager, locate your graphics card, right-click to uninstall the driver, then restart to reinstall automatically. This process eliminates software conflicts that cause the 640 by 480 resolution issue on ASUS monitors. If driver resets don't resolve the 640 by 480 resolution issue, the next step is to reset the Extended Display Identification Data, or EDID. Some ASUS monitors include a built-in EDID reset option in their on-screen display menu. Access this through the monitor's buttons and navigate to the System or Setup menu as shown in your manual. As of July 2025, ASUS provides an AI-powered troubleshooter in their support app that can walk you through the EDID reset process automatically, provided it's compatible with your monitor model. Faulty or degraded HDMI cables are a common cause of EDID corruption and resolution issues on ASUS monitors. When cables degrade, they can fail to properly communicate display capabilities, forcing the monitor to default to low resolutions like 640 by 480. To prevent this, always use a certified, high-quality HDMI cable that meets current standards like HDMI 2.0 or higher. These cables have better shielding and error correction, reducing the risk of signal degradation. As a troubleshooting step, try using a different HDMI cable. If the resolution issue disappears with a new cable, the original cable was likely faulty and needs replacement. Finally, double-check that the HDMI cable is securely plugged into both the monitor's HDMI port and your computer's graphics card port. Loose connections can cause intermittent signal loss and EDID communication failures. When basic troubleshooting fails, turn to advanced solutions through ASUS support. Start by checking for firmware updates on the ASUS website to ensure your monitor has the latest fixes. ASUS forums offer community-driven solutions tailored to specific monitor models, where users share experiences and fixes. For personalized assistance, use ASUS's AI-powered troubleshooter on their website, which provides guided diagnostics and recommendations. Looking ahead, the trend is towards software-integrated fixes and AI-driven monitors with self-healing EDID capabilities. By 2027, expect more monitors featuring advanced error-correcting protocols and enhanced hardware-software integration. For prevention, use quality cables, keep drivers updated, monitor EDID early with tools like HWinfo, and perform regular firmware updates.